You may be surprised at what it is.
Yeah, maybe.
Charlie.
I'm feeling like I'm ready for number 2.
Let's see here. So released the 12th of September, 1980. Recorded between March and April of 80 at Ridge Farm Studios in Rupert, England. Clocking in at 39 minutes, 31 seconds. Produced by Robert John Mutt Lang. Fucking with you guys. Produced by
What the
Wait a minute.
everyone froze for a second.
that would have been interesting though.
Sharon did not approve of that.
Label is Jet. Produced by Ozzy Osbourne, Randy Rhoads, Bob Daisley, and Lee Kerslake. Singles: Crazy Train and Mr. Crowley. Obviously, the number 2 album is Blizzard of Ozz by Ozzy Osbourne.